Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda E-Clutch motorcycle. The Honda E-Clutch is a revolutionary innovation in motorcycle technology, designed to bring effortless riding and unparalleled convenience to motorcyclists worldwide. With advanced electronic clutch control, riders can experience seamless gear shifts without manually operating the clutch lever. This groundbreaking system ensures that gear transitions are smoother, quicker, and more precise, enhancing overall ride quality. Whether navigating city streets, cruising on highways, or tackling winding mountain roads, the Honda E-Clutch adapts effortlessly to every riding condition, delivering an experience that is both intuitive and exhilarating. At the heart of the Honda E-Clutch system lies cutting-edge engineering, meticulously designed to optimize performance and rider comfort. Traditional manual clutches require constant engagement and disengagement, which can be challenging, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The Honda E-Clutch eliminates this hassle by automatically modulating clutch engagement, allowing riders to focus entirely on the road. This results in reduced hand fatigue, improved concentration, and a more enjoyable riding experience. Riders no longer need to worry about stalling or abrupt shifts, as the system seamlessly manages power delivery with remarkable precision. One of the standout features of the Honda E-Clutch is its adaptability. Whether you are a seasoned motorcyclist or a beginner, the system accommodates different riding styles, making it ideal for both experienced riders and newcomers. For those who enjoy the control of traditional manual shifting, the E-Clutch still provides the option to shift gears manually without the need to operate the clutch lever. This means riders can experience the thrill of manual gear changes while enjoying the benefits of electronic clutch assistance. On the other hand, for those who prefer a more effortless approach, the system can handle gear shifts automatically, making riding smoother and more comfortable. The Honda E-Clutch is designed to integrate seamlessly with Honda's advanced transmission systems, ensuring optimal efficiency and power delivery. The system continuously monitors riding conditions, throttle input, and engine performance to make real-time adjustments. This intelligent functionality enhances acceleration, improves fuel efficiency, and reduces wear and tear on the drivetrain. By optimizing gear shifts with precision, the E-Clutch contributes to an overall more responsive and efficient motorcycle performance. Riders who commute daily will appreciate the convenience that the Honda E-Clutch brings. In urban environments, where frequent stopping and starting are inevitable, the system simplifies the riding experience. No longer do riders need to repeatedly engage the clutch in traffic congestion. Instead, the E-Clutch ensures smooth transitions, making city riding effortless and stress-free. Additionally, in long-distance touring scenarios, the system reduces rider fatigue by minimizing the need for constant clutch operation, allowing for extended journeys with enhanced comfort. Beyond convenience, the Honda E-Clutch also enhances safety. By reducing the chances of stalling, especially in critical situations such as intersections or steep inclines, riders gain more confidence in their ability to control the motorcycle. The system also prevents abrupt gear shifts that could otherwise disrupt balance, ensuring a more stable and controlled ride. Whether navigating tight corners or executing quick maneuvers, the Honda E-Clutch provides a level of smoothness and predictability that enhances overall road safety. The durability and reliability of the Honda E-Clutch have been extensively tested to meet the highest standards of performance. Honda engineers have meticulously fine-tuned the system to withstand varying weather conditions, road surfaces, and riding demands. Whether riding in scorching heat, heavy rain, or freezing temperatures, the E-Clutch continues to operate flawlessly, ensuring consistent performance across different environments. Honda's commitment to quality and innovation ensures that this system not only enhances the riding experience but also remains a long-lasting and dependable component of the motorcycle. For sport bike enthusiasts, the Honda E-Clutch introduces a new dimension of riding dynamics. Quick gear changes, precise power delivery, and enhanced throttle response make every ride more exhilarating. By reducing the time and effort required for gear shifts, riders can focus on optimizing their performance, whether on the track or the open road. The seamless transition between gears contributes to a smoother power band, allowing riders to extract the maximum potential from their motorcycles. The Honda E-Clutch isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing the thrill of riding while maintaining complete control over the machine. Touring riders will appreciate the long-term benefits of the Honda E-Clutch. On extended journeys, reducing the physical effort required for clutch operation translates into a more enjoyable ride. With less strain on the left hand, riders can maintain their endurance over long distances, ensuring a comfortable and fatigue-free experience. Whether riding solo or with a passenger, the smooth gear transitions contribute to a refined and luxurious ride quality. Touring motorcycles equipped with the Honda E-Clutch offer the perfect balance between performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Honda's dedication to rider-centric innovation is evident in every aspect of the E-Clutch system. It embodies the brand's philosophy of making motorcycles more accessible, enjoyable, and safe. By blending traditional motorcycling elements with modern advancements, Honda ensures that riders of all skill levels can benefit from this groundbreaking technology. The system is intuitive, requiring no complex learning curve, allowing riders to instantly feel the advantages of seamless gear shifting. For new riders, the Honda E-Clutch acts as a confidence booster. Learning to ride a motorcycle can be intimidating, especially when mastering clutch control. With the E-Clutch, beginners can focus on fundamental riding skills without the added stress of manual clutch operation. This makes the learning process smoother and more enjoyable, encouraging more people to experience the joy of motorcycling. By lowering the entry barrier, Honda continues to inspire the next generation of riders. The introduction of the Honda E-Clutch marks a significant step forward in the evolution of motorcycle technology. While maintaining the essence of traditional motorcycling, this innovation bridges the gap between manual and automatic transmissions, offering the best of both worlds. Riders no longer have to choose between full manual control and automatic convenience. The E-Clutch provides a seamless blend of both, catering to diverse riding preferences. As motorcycles continue to evolve, the demand for advanced rider assistance systems grows. The Honda E-Clutch is a testament to Honda's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. With each new development, Honda strives to enhance rider experience, safety, and overall performance. The E-Clutch is not just a feature, it represents the future of motorcycling, where technology and human connection merge to create an unparalleled riding experience. With its state-of-the-art design, precision engineering, and rider-focused benefits, the Honda E-Clutch is set to redefine the way motorcycles are ridden. Whether in bustling cityscapes, winding countryside roads, or high-speed highways, this system ensures every ride is effortless, smooth, and enjoyable. The future of motorcycling is here, and it begins with the Honda E-Clutch. Honda continues to lead the industry by integrating smart technology into its motorcycles. The E-Clutch is a prime example of Honda's ability to blend innovation with practicality, ensuring that motorcyclists can enjoy the best possible riding experience. From improved efficiency to enhanced comfort and safety, the E-Clutch delivers in every aspect. Riders can now embark on journeys with the confidence that their motorcycle is equipped with one of the most advanced clutch systems available. For those who have yet to experience the Honda E-Clutch, the opportunity to ride a motorcycle equipped with this technology is truly transformative. It redefines expectations, proving that motorcycling can be both thrilling and effortless. Honda has once again demonstrated its ability to innovate while preserving the fundamental joy of riding. Whether you are a daily commuter, an adventure seeker, or a performance enthusiast, the Honda E-Clutch enhances every moment on the road. Honda remains committed to advancing motorcycle technology, ensuring that each innovation contributes to a better, safer, and more enjoyable riding experience. The E-Clutch represents a new era of riding, one where precision meets convenience, and where every journey is defined by smooth, effortless motion. This is more than just a clutch, it is a revolution in the way motorcycles are experienced. As motorcycling enters the future, Honda leads the way with innovations that redefine performance and comfort. The Honda E-Clutch is a testament to this commitment, setting new standards in the industry. For riders around the world, this system is more than just an upgrade, it is a game changer. Welcome to the next level of riding. Welcome to Honda E-Clutch. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.